Happy Monday. I'm going to take this off of my lid rest for now so you guys. But the very first one that I saw, Jesus, big and stuff, was Jessica Darby. The Bunkies. Roast in. Do some salt. Weston Scott, get off the dogs. They'll come out in a minute. Not right now. I'm putting this on. Some pepper. Lordy daisies, tormenting them twisties. Au jus gravy. And ranch. I know I'm putting pepperoncinis in. Don't know how spicy they are, but all I got is spicy ranch, so it's likely just gonna be me and my husband eating this anyway, so. Oh, it's a chaotic Monday here. One stick of butter. Weston, leave the dogs alone. Pepperoncinis. Pour some of this juice in here first. That's about half of my jar, so. I don't have cookies. Still got all that left. Alright. On low for 8 hours. Mashed potatoes and rolls. My youngins want macaroni, so. What are you having for dinner tonight?